everyone, in today's hug, we're going to talk about mocktails. Mocktails are non-alcoholic beverages that have flavor and a social impact because, you know, when you go to a party and if everybody's having like a cocktail or a glass of wine or something, and it gives you a way to have a celebratory experience without having alcohol. And they are really in vogue right now. So we're going to talk about that today. So my favorite thing to do, honestly, is club soda and lime because I absolutely love it. But some people like something more fancy. And so today I'm going to share a couple recipes with you that you might enjoy. So my favorite mocktail is a margarita. All you do is mix 3/4 of a portion, okay, depending on how big your glass is, fill it with ice and then 3/4 of club soda, fresh lime juice, and a lime squeeze. And to make it even more fancy, you can put salt on the rim of the glass. Make sure it's a good high quality salt, okay? But other things you can do is like a virgin mojito. So what you can do to make the mojito is you use club soda and some lime squeezes, okay, just a few, and then you get mint flavored stevia drops and you drop them in and it gives you that minty, limey type flavor, and that is another really delicious one. Another one that you can do would be like a pina colada, okay? So it's like coconut and pineapple. But there's so many great things that you can do with these flavored stevia drops that I just love. So you can do the glass of ice, fill it with some club soda, just like halfway, and then use coconut milk to fill it the rest of the way. And then you take pineapple stevia drops and put those in, mix it up, and you can even garnish it with like a slice of pineapple or something delicious like that. But the coconut milk gives it this beautiful creamy flavor. And another thing is one of my friends at the gym was telling me she had an NA beer. And I'm like, what's that? I don't drink beer. And she said, oh, it's non-alcoholic. And I remember a long, long time ago, 30 years ago when I was pregnant having one of those. I think it was like O'Doul's or something like that. And it actually was really flavorful. So that might be another thing to do. And I do know that there's non-alcoholic wine. And I'm a subscriber to Bon Appetit, and maybe a month or so ago, they had this whole article with these non-alcoholic spirits. So if you want to try a mocktail, I gave you a few recipes, but you can also buy ready-made drinks that you can just bring if you're going to a party out on your own and you want to, you know, be social, but not have to have alcohol in your body. Maybe you're the designated driver, or you just want to be healthier that day, which I hope you guys all want to be healthy every day, right? So let's close with a big, fat, juicy hug, sending you so much love and joy and peace on this beautiful day. Yay, spring's here. See you next time. Bye for now.